Hi pretties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is De'Ara. I like to do a lot of wig reviews on my channel and makeup tutorials. I also have a weight loss journey where I've lost 150 pounds. If any of this sounds interesting to you, then go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if not, exit the channel, I guess. What else can I say? Anyways, thank y'all so much for joining and clicking on this video. What we're doing here today is I'm going to be showing y'all how I styled this Brazilian curly bob unit from Mscoco Hair. Shout out to Mscoco for sponsoring this video and sending me over this amazing unit. So let me go ahead and get into some specs and details about the unit before we get into the styling tutorial portion. So as I said, this is a 13 by 14 lace wig unit. It is a Brazilian curly unit and it is in the color 1. It's either in the color 1 or 1B. I can't remember off the top of my head. The unit came with single knots, which was great because I do show y'all how I bleach the knots on this lace. And as you can see, it gives a very realistic look. I didn't have to tint it or anything like that. If you don't know the difference between single knots and double knots, basically single knots are way thinner and they're only knotted literally one time, singular. Double knots are bigger, they're darker, they're way harder to bleach. So I hate when I get a unit with double knots. It just takes me a very, very long time to bleach it if I can bleach it. So I do appreciate that this unit did come already like that. Now on the website, I won't lie y'all, I was not crazy about how the picture looks because on the website it's more of like a frizzier type look. I thought right that I was going to be able to tone the hair down and define the curl definition, and I'm going to show y'all that in the styling portion as well. I think that the hair took very well to the product. It looks very, very, very pretty. I did have to do a lot of molding to the unit because it is a short unit. Normally I don't wear short units, so when I do, I have to mold them to really frame my face. The only con that I have about this unit, because I did not have bad shedding or bad tangling, was the fact, and I noticed this with angled curly bobs, is on this side there'll always be like a little few scragglies going on. I'm not really sure why, but I just had to take the scissors. I didn't show that on camera. That's the only thing I didn't show. I showed everything else literally. I just have to all I had to do was just cut those scragglies off, and that was that. You can leave them on if you want that little dangling look. Me personally, I don't like that. Overall, I think this wig is pretty cute. I think that she is perfect for like spring, summer. Are y'all happy that we're getting some warmer weather? I know I am. My birthday was on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday 4/2. This video will probably be going up Thursday. Thanks to all my subscribers and my supporters and gave me so much love and so many birthday wishes. I do appreciate that, but I'm happy that the warmer weather is coming. I think this is perfect for warm weather because girls, look at the curls. The curls are popping. The curls are everything. The curls are looking sexy, juicy, radiant, giving you light, and it's not too long, which is so amazing in the summer because I know I hate all that hair. I hate hair on my neck and stuff like that. So this is like a perfect unit to wear on vacation. Just be cute, to be slinging, to have little edges going on. I really did like the hairline. Normally I have to cut a lot of my hairline back, and that's just because I have a overachieving hairline. Yes, my hairline goes all the way down here, and I don't need y'all coming from me talking about why is your wig like right on top of your brow, even though it's very, very close. Listen sis, I'm not cutting my hairline for a wig. So normally I have to just cut out the hairline completely. I have to cut really, really, really close to the wig and leave just a tiny bit of lace on for my units. If you have a low hairline and you want me to do a tutorial on that, let me know and I'll do it for you. But yeah, this is the unit. I don't think that there's pretty much anything else left. I don't like to do a lot of unnecessary rambling, so if there's anything that I left out, any questions that you need to know, then I want you to comment down below. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial and I'll see y'all next time. Let's go. First thing we're going to do is start tweezing the hairline. The hairline did come a little pre-plucked, but I always like to go in and add a lot of customization to my hairline. I know I have a very particular hairline, and I think that this makes units look very natural on me. Just because my hairline, again, is very particular. I have a small forehead, so there's always something I do. And I have a little small widow's peak, so I have a lot going on with my hairline. I'm just using some tweezers, and I'm just going in and plucking I'll say take your time. I know that that's such a cliche, but really take your time. I know in the beginning when I started doing this, I would be rushing. So I only do this when I have time to do this. All right, next up, I'm going to put in some leave-in conditioner. The hair is already shampooed and conditioned. I am using this ORS leave-in conditioner, and yes, it is the one from the perm box. Let me explain though. I really do like that leave-in conditioner, but I see that we ran out of it. However, my girlfriend just happens to have some leftover like conditioner and shampoo from perms that she's put in clients' hair, so I just went ahead and used that. And as you can see, it really activates the curls and gets the hair nice and juicy. Now I'm going to take some mousse, and this is just going to further activate those curls, get the curls looking really pretty, juicy, and luxurious. You can use whatever type of mousse that you like to do. I normally love like Talia Wajaj products. Now I'm just going to fit the wig on my head and see where I potentially want it to lay. Once I'm happy with where it is laying at on my head, then I won't hesitate to go in and use my Gotta Be Glued. Check out Romeo in the background. He's my little assistant. Now with the Gotta Be Glued, I want to try to keep things as neat as possible because I don't want to do a lot of baby hairs for this look. I want more of a natural looking hairline, so I have to keep my hairline nice and clean. I actually had to do this twice because I realized the first time I put it down way too long. So it just took me, way too low. So it took me way longer than what it should have, but just take a nice thin layer of the clear Got to Be Glue. I know some people use the white one, but I never really liked that white one. And now I'm gonna take the Freeze Hold spray, and this gets very messy, ladies, so be careful. I blow dry it for a couple of minutes, and then once it's ready, I'll just go ahead and pull it down. And as you can see, it is already starting to melt right into my forehead. And this is pre-makeup or anything like that. All right, now I'm just going to go ahead and eat a popsicle while I wait for my edges to dry. Side note, am I the only one that bites a popsicle and then I hate it? Like, I hate the feeling of it, but I just cannot not bite my popsicle. Now, when I take off the Cenex strip and scarf, I notice that there is a little bit of excess, but do not worry, we're going to clean that up. It is not a big deal with just a little bit of 91% alcohol, and I'll take a Q-tip so that I can just go along the hairline. And it may disturb your makeup. It probably will disturb your makeup if you're wearing any makeup. That's fine. Once I'm done with this, I just take a beauty blender and a little bit of my foundation, and I just pat it in to my forehead and also a little bit into the hairline for a nice natural look. I'm taking the pressing comb because I want the top of my hair to sit flat, and I also want to mold it back over there on the side. So I've been doing that with a lot of my units lately, to mold it and also just to make the hairline look as realistic as possible. All right, so I am going to add a few baby hairs. Like I said, I want really slight baby hairs, so I'm going to take some of the Gotta Be Glued. I never really have too good luck with mousse. I have to keep practicing with the mousse for the baby hairs. I know that they say that it makes the baby hairs so much more soft and more, you know, natural looking, but I just got to keep practicing that one. And I'm using my Edge brush. I love this brush. It's from Baby Tress. And it has like the brush, the comb, and then even the pointy part. So it's perfect for doing your edges with. All right, and this is the final look. This is what the unit looks like. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, do not forget to thumbs up. Also hit the bell so you can get notifications, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you. Until then, stay pretty.